The conflict has taken a serious turn as Israel reports carried out overnight strike, and that too deep inside Tehran, the capital of Iran. Welcome to Times XP's War Report. Ladies and gentlemen, unlike the previous strike focused on border issues of remote military zones, this operation appears to have targeted locations at the center of Iran's political and security structure. According to Israeli statement, the strikes hit ballistic missile storage facility. Well, that's a big deal, which, by the way, are considered very, very important for maintaining and launching the long-range weapon. Targeting such sites, it suggests an attempt to reduce Iran's offensive capabilities by disrupting the storage and readiness of its missile system entirely. And let me add some drama here. In addition to these facilities, Israel claims that it struck intelligence-related buildings, including the headquarters linked to the powerful Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps. These locations, they are significant because they are involved in gathering information, planning operations, and coordinating military strategies. Well, a strike on such centers, it is aimed not just at physical assets, but at the operational decision-making process itself. Here, reports also indicate that a building associated with Iran's intelligence ministry was among the targets. And if it is really confirmed, then this would represent a direct hit on one of country's key institutions responsible for national security and internal intelligence. Ladies and gentlemen, such an action carries symbolic as well as strategic weight, as they signal the ability to reach highly sensitive location. Moreover, the choice of targets highlights a shift in focus from purely military hardware to strategic infrastructure now. By aiming at intelligence hubs and government-linked facilities, well, the operation appears to designed to interrupt both current capability and future planning as well. And this marks a deeper level of engagement as compared to strikes limited to isolated military position. However, let me tell you here, attacks in the capital city also carries a higher risk of escalation. Striking central location increases the likelihood of a strong response, as it directly impacts national pride, security perception, and leadership structure. And this raises concern about how Iran may respond and whether the conflict could intensify further or not. Well, for the residents in Tehran, such developments create uncertainty and fear, as military activity moves closer to densely populated areas now. Increased security measures, active air defenses, and possibility of further strike, it contributes to the tensed environment here. If we see it from a broader perspective, then this particular development signals widening scope of the conflict. Well, it is no longer confined to just one area, but it is increasingly targeting the strategic centers now. And this shift, it has implications not just for the countries directly, but also for regional stability and international relationship. Here, global observers, they are closely monitoring the entire situation, as any escalation at this level, it can influence the diplomatic effort, economic condition, and security calculation worldwide. Markets and governments alike, they are sensitive to such developments, specifically given their potential impact on energy and trade, right? So in the end, at this stage, the situation, it remains highly dangerous, with the latest strike indicating a deeper and more complex phase of the conflict that could really shape its direction in days ahead.